Flowers are nature's ingenious way of ensuring the continuation of plant life, a dazzling display that serves a vital purpose in the natural world. Through flowers, plants create new life, sending their genetic legacy into the future with every bloom and seed. At the very center of a flower lies the carpel, the female part, composed of the stigma, style, and ovary. Here, deep within, ovules patiently await fertilization, ready to become the next generation. Encircling the carpel are the stamens, the male parts of the flower. Each stamen is topped with an anther, which produces pollen, the precious grains that carry the plant's male genetic material. Petals, with their vivid colors and enticing patterns, act as colorful billboards, luring pollinators like bees, butterflies, and even birds to visit the flower. Before the flower opens, sepals form a protective layer around the delicate bud, shielding it from harm until it's ready to bloom and reveal its beauty. Each part, from the sturdy sepals to the pollen-laden stamens, plays a unique and essential role in the plant's reproductive strategy, working together in perfect harmony. Together, these parts form a remarkable team, orchestrating the first step in a new plant's life: pollination, the magical moment when pollen meets ovule. The flower's intricate design is a marvel of evolution, shaped over millions of years, all for the promise of seeds and the survival of the species. Let's take a closer look at how this extraordinary process unfolds step by step in the life of a flower. For plants, pollination is the crucial transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. This process is essential for the reproduction of many plant species, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. Some flowers attract insects with color, scent, and nectar. Bees and butterflies become pollen couriers. These vibrant displays are nature's way of signaling to pollinators that a reward awaits. As insects feed, pollen sticks to them and is carried to the next flower. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the plants and the pollinators, creating a delicate balance in the ecosystem. Other plants rely on wind, producing clouds of lightweight pollen and feathery stigmas to catch it. These plants often grow in open areas where wind can easily carry their pollen over long distances. Wind-pollinated flowers are often plain, saving energy for sheer quantity. They don't need to attract pollinators, so they invest in producing vast amounts of pollen instead. Both methods ensure pollen finds its mark, whether by targeted flight or drifting air. Each strategy has evolved to maximize the chances of successful pollination. Pollination links one flower to another, setting the stage for new life. This connection is vital for the production of seeds and the continuations of plant species. It's nature's way of connecting generations. Through pollination, plants ensure that their genetic material is passed on, allowing new plants to grow and thrive. When pollen lands on a compatible stigma, fertilization begins. The pollen grain grows a tube down the style, delivering its genetic material to an ovule. Here, the male and female nuclei fuse, forming a zygote, a single cell with a unique genetic blueprint. This union sparks the development of a new plant embryo. Sexual reproduction creates genetic diversity, helping plants adapt and thrive. From this tiny zygote, a new generation will grow. The flower's mission is nearly complete. After fertilization, the flower transforms. Petals and stamens fade as the ovary swells, focusing energy on the developing seeds. Each fertilized ovule becomes a seed, with a protective coat and a food store for the embryo. The ovary matures into a fruit, which may be fleshy or dry, sweet or plain. Fruits protect seeds and help them travel. Inside each seed is a dormant plant, packed and ready for its journey. The plant's future now rests in these tiny packages. Next comes the challenge of dispersal. Seeds must escape their parent's shadow to survive. Wind disperses light seeds or those with parachutes and wings like dandelions and sycamores. Animals eat fruits, spreading seeds in new places, or carry hooked seeds on their fur. Water carries floating seeds like coconuts across rivers and oceans. Some plants launch seeds explosively, flinging them far from home. Each method helps seeds find space, sunlight, and resources. Dispersal is key to a plant's success and expansion. The journey isn't over yet. A seed lies dormant, patiently waiting for the perfect combination of water, oxygen, and warmth. When these conditions are just right, a remarkable transformation begins: germination. This is the first step in the journey of life for a plant, a process that has been repeated for countless generations. The root is the first to break free, pushing downward into the soil. It anchors the young plant firmly in place and starts absorbing the water and nutrients essential for growth, setting the foundation for everything that follows. Soon after, the shoot emerges, breaking through the surface and reaching upward toward the light. This upward growth is driven by the plant's need for sunlight, which is vital for its survival and development. In these early days, the seedling relies on the food stored within the seed to fuel its rapid growth. As the first leaves unfold, the plant begins to harness the sun's energy through photosynthesis, marking a new phase of independence. Through sexual reproduction, pollination, and the dispersal of seeds, plants create incredible diversity and resilience. Pollinators like bees play a crucial role, ensuring that new generations can thrive in ever-changing environments. This cycle of growth, reproduction, and renewal has shaped life on Earth for millions of years, giving rise to the rich biodiversity we see today. From flower to seed, from seed to sprout, the story of life continues, repeating itself endlessly in a beautiful, unbroken cycle. The life cycle of a flowering plant is truly one of nature's greatest wonders, a testament to the resilience and beauty of life itself.